Good morning everyone. It is 6 am in Udupi and I am waiting for the petrol station to open. I am heading out early to visit Pajaka Kshethra, where there are two amazing hills called Parashurama Betta and KUNJARUGIRI. Before we continue, if you are new here, consider subscribing to the channel, hit the bell icon and select all so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. Thanks. So I've reached KUNJARUGIRI and right now I'm at Parashurama Betta. And look who I found. Hey. So this place is quite special to me because this is the Parashurama Betta. Now Parashurama is also known as Bhargava and I am Kumara Bhargava. The people of Bhargava Gotra are descendants of Parashurama. So it fascinates me to know that my ancestor was residing on this rock several thousand years ago, witnessing this amazing sunrise. Man, it must have been epic. So that was the Parashurama temple atop the hill, catching the first light from the sunrise. Next we'll go to KUNJARUGIRI, which is exactly opposite to this hill. Now the fog hadn't lifted for a long while, so I decided to head back and visit again by evening. Now I'm sure you'd like to know the route to visit this place, right? You travel along Udupi-Mangaluru highway and take a left at Katpadi. Do not take the service road at Katpadi like I did here, because this is what will happen. Oh my god, that was bad! Oh, that was bad. If your vehicle does not have good ground clearance, it will be scraped badly at that particular road hump. So you can just take a left from the main road itself. Next, take a left at Subhash Nagar bus stop. The Gopro is your entrance landmark. Along this route you'll reach a Y intersection. Now morning I took a right to go to Parashurama hill. However now we'll take a left to go to KUNJARUGIRI. Atop the KUNJARUGIRI hill is the Durgaparameshwari temple. It was established by Lord Parashurama himself for worship during his stay in the region, and thus is one among the most important pilgrimage centers in Udupi. The temple is situated close to Sri Madhwacharya's home and birthplace. He used to visit the temple daily to offer his prayers to the goddess. And as a tribute to the great saint, a 32 feet 180 ton grey granite monolith has been installed at the entry of the temple. A unique feature of the statue is that it has been sculpted as per the 32 parameters laid down in the text Tantrasara Sangraha written by Sri Madhwacharya. Now you can get to the temple with your vehicle via the road provided on the side, or you could take the stairs provided at the front of the temple. So that was my presentation of the two fantastic hills and temples at Pajaka Kshethra. Hope you liked the video. Hit the subscribe button to support the channel. Like, share, comment and do all those good YouTube stuff. And I'll be ending the video with one another main feature of the place. Monkeys.